Hey, welcome my friends, welcome back in this video tutorial. So in previous videos we have successfully designed or divide our dashboard.php page into three parts. First part was the header.php, second part is the file name, means dashboard.php, and the third part was footer.php. So now in this video we are going to design our dashboard.php file and also header.php file. So you can see here the menus item. I am going to remove some menus item, and I am going to remove some options from here, and I am going to add it, and I am going to remove these boxes from here. Okay, so in the next videos we will work with the sessions, and we will get out the value from the database, and using of session we will show the name of the users here in this place. Okay, so now let's go in our code editor, and first of all let's open our header.php file. So here is my header.php file, and open my browser, and let's just okay. So you can see here admin lt3 starter. I can remove this from here, and I can give here pos, and I can give here and let's save and refresh our file. So now you can see here pos barcode systems. I can give the space here and save again. Okay, and refresh this page. So you can see I have changed the name from here, and just like this we can do some changes in our header.php file. And simply after this let's go down, and here you can see here the if I maximize, you can see here the home and contact. So I don't need this option, so I'm going to comment out these lines or remove these lines. I can say that. Okay, and save file and refresh, and you can see here it's gone. Okay, I am not going remove this, okay, because it may be confused for you. So now let's go further what I am going to do here. And after this, and leave this code, and here you can see admin lt3, and I can change it also from here. So here I am going to give pos and barcode, save file, and let's refresh. So now you can see here, and we can change the image also from here. We will change in further videos. We will add our logo, our application logo. Okay, and here I will add our name, means from the database. Okay, so we will do with that from the using of session in next videos. Okay, and after this I am going to remove this three links: starter pages, active page, and inactive page. We will copy this simple link for more options. So let's go further and simply remove this. Okay, cut this, save file, and refresh our page and open our menu, and now you can see this. And this I can copy, okay, and this line I can copy for more options, save, and let's refresh. Perfect. Okay, so the first option will be let me maximize it, and the first option will be dashboard, and second will be category, and third may be registration, and here I will give the fourth is for the logout. And perfect. Let's save and see the output. And let's remove this badges option from here, and we don't need the badges now. Remove from here and remove from here and remove from here, and I can change the icons also, and we will change, save and see the output. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go for the our dashboard file. So minimize this, and this is our header.php file, and let's select all the code from header.php and copy this code from here, and let's go on header user.php and select all, cut from here and paste that all the code from header.php file to header user.php. Now let's save, and we will use header user.php and user.php file. Okay, so let's open user.php. okay, so perfect. Now let's back on the code editor, and let's go on dashboard.php, and I want to remove first let's come back on dashboard.php, and you can see here the starter page. I want to change this. Okay, so the starter page here I want to give admin dashboard. Save and refresh. Perfect. Okay, and here we have these links, so let's comment out this, save and refresh. Perfect. And after this card title, I'm going to remove this boxes from here. So this is the container and the card. So the first card I'm going to remove from here, and the second also. Now let's save and see the output. Perfect. Now let's go for the third. So the third is start from here, and we are going to use the fourth. So you can see here the call lg6 division is called lg6. Let's save and let's refresh and see the output. Okay, you can see here. So what we can do, simply select this, and let's copy this from here and cut from here, and remove this and give here 12 and paste it here and save and refresh. Perfect. So our page is successfully designed here. Okay, what I have done here, simply I just removed the call lg6 to 12 because the bootstrap system is based on the 12 grid system, so I used here 12 grid instead of 6 grid. Okay, so what I can remove this from here and save and refresh. Okay, Control Z, save and refresh again. Perfect, you can see that. Okay, so we will use this page in our further pages or further videos. Okay, so let's copy. First of all, you can see our dashboard.php, so select all code and copy that all code from here, and let's go on blank.php, select all, cut from blank.php file all the code, and right click and paste all the code from dashboard.php, because that code we will reuse in the next files. Okay, so that's why I'm pasting here and I'm saving here that code for the further files, for the used of further files. So save this. Okay, and you can see here the dashboard.php file. Okay, and we can change this icons for the different menus items, and we can work on this box or card body we can say, and we will show the username here also. So I think this is enough in this video. I will see you in next video.